Hey guys, welcome to SDI. Today we're here to talk about the Pro R and Turbo R Polaris Razor. A lot of you know we've already been working on the E-Click system for the Fox and Walker Evans shocks, but we've also come up with a whole bunch of other cool products for this vehicle. Let's go and start with the front shocks. All right, one of the first big things we want to talk about, and that's been a common thing going on, is about the front clevises. We're going to go inside and talk about this in more detail, but we're really proud of our Clevis shock shaft assembly. We're one of the few companies actually really looking at the problem and changing it, but we're going to get in more detail in a second. Let's go over the rest of the car. Another cool feature for a shock is the extended bladder cap. This was mainly made to combat the problem of nitrogen coming out of the stock ones. It uses a regular Schrader valve so you know it's going to seal, and it increases nitrogen volume to increase performance. On the chassis side, we built billet CNC sway bar links using top quality Teflon lined rod ends, and that is for the front and rear. Last but not least is our radius rod kit. This is the perfect kit for duners. Teflon lined rod ends, and a lot of people are into high clearance stuff, but nothing is stronger than being straight. Hey guys, we came inside and we actually have a production and a SDI shock shaft Clevis assembly taken apart. Now, a lot of people went and blamed the Forge 6 Series Clevis piece from Polaris as the problem. This is the industry standard. Forging this type of material is actually really strong. So the more we looked into it, we realized that they're using a 5/8 thread on a 7/8 shaft. SDI's standard on all the shocks we built is always to use a 3/4 inch thread on a 7/8 shaft. 3/4 inch thread is pretty much 50% stronger than a 5/8 thread. So that's really important. Now you can go and remake this Clevis out of 70/75, but it doesn't correct the weaker thread problem. So even though with our Clevis, we still did go with 70/75 to make it as best as possible, we are using the 3/4 inch thread. To get into a little bit more detail, let's look at the FEA analysis on this. Another benefit with our shock shaft assemblies is the Walker Evans comes with a 7/16 pin. And as you can see, we actually have one that's broken here. Now, this isn't standard. This car crashed, ripped the arms off, and it was obviously an extreme situation, but it did end up breaking the pin. And seeing we were already making the shock shafts, we've upgraded the pin to a 5/8, and all the Walker Evans Clevis kits come with our complete high flow piston and everything with 5/8 shims, and it's already revalved. So you're not only getting a Clevis, you're getting a revalved shock with our shock shaft assembly. I hope this video helped answer some questions about the front Clevis problems that the Pro R, Turbo Rs have been having. If you do have any more questions though, please visit our website, Instagram, YouTube channel, and we're going to keep putting more information on this. Thanks for watching.